Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Amazon warehouse is probably one of the most underutilized resources for savvy shoppers. Today, we're diving deep into the hidden world of Amazon warehouse, exploring how you can snag incredible products at prices that seem too good to be true. From slight imperfections to open box returns, we'll uncover the secrets to finding amazing deals and maximizing your savings. Get ready to transform the way you shop and discover the ultimate destination for budget-friendly treasures. Number 5. PLAYTEX 18-Hour Ultimate Lift Wire-Free Bra. Introducing the PLAYTEX 18-Hour Ultimate Lift Wire-Free Bra. This bra is designed for all-day comfort and provides the support you need, without the wires. It's perfect for everyday wear. Experience the ultimate lift and shaping, all without the discomfort of underwires. This bra offers incredible support while remaining incredibly comfortable. You'll love how it feels. Enjoy 18 hours of comfortable wear with this bra. It's designed to keep you feeling supported and comfortable throughout your day. It's the perfect choice for long days. The wire-free design provides a smooth, natural shape. It eliminates the digging and discomfort often associated with underwire bras. This bra is all about comfort and support. Available in a range of sizes, this bra is designed to fit you perfectly. Find your ideal fit and experience the ultimate in comfort and support. It's time to upgrade your lingerie collection. What we like. This bra offers wire-free comfort, perfect for all-day wear. It provides ultimate lift and support, ensuring a flattering silhouette. If you are looking for a bra that combines comfort and support without the wires, you should consider this. What people say. The product is in excellent condition. The product works perfectly. The product looks brand new. Number 4. Helly Hansen 62047 Men's 7J Jacket. This jacket is designed for men and built to withstand various weather conditions. It's a reliable choice for outdoor activities, offering both protection and comfort. The jacket is constructed with durable materials, ensuring it can handle rugged use. It's also designed to be weatherproof, keeping you dry and comfortable in rain and wind. This jacket focuses on both comfort and functionality. It features a design that allows for a full range of motion, making it suitable for active use. Whether you're hiking, sailing, or simply exploring, this jacket is a great companion. It provides the protection you need to enjoy the outdoors, no matter the weather. Helly Hansen is known for its high-quality outdoor gear, and this jacket is no exception. It's a testament to the brand's commitment to performance and durability. What we like. This jacket is waterproof and breathable, keeping you dry and comfortable in various weather conditions. It's also durable and versatile, suitable for both outdoor activities and everyday wear. If you like outdoor adventures, this jacket is a great choice. What people say. The product is in excellent condition. The packaging was great. The product works perfectly. Number 3. Dude Wipes, Flushable Wipes. They've made billions of flushable wipes. The company started small, and now they're wiping over 1 billion butts every year. Join the revolution and experience a new level of freshness. Size matters when it comes to flushable wipes, and these are big. You'll appreciate the extra coverage after a big meal. It's the perfect solution for a thorough clean. These wipes are made with plant-sourced fibers and are plastic-free. Unlike baby wipes, they are sewer and septic safe. Switch from toilet paper and try these flushable wet wipes. Made with 99% water and plant-based ingredients, they are unscented, hypoallergenic, alcohol-free, and paraben-free. They also contain aloe vera and vitamin E to protect your sensitive skin. You'll feel refreshed and clean. With billions sold, they know their way around the toilet. Join the ongoing revolution with Dude Wipes. You'll feel fresher than ever after that morning coffee. What we like. These wipes are flushable and made from plant-sourced fibers, making them safe for your plumbing. They are extra large, providing a thorough clean. If you are looking for a convenient and effective way to stay fresh, you should consider this. What people say. The wipes are outstanding for quick cleanups of sweaty and/or smelly skin, especially in the folds and crevices of sensitive areas. They are large, softer than some baby wipes, and have a great smell to them, not overpowering though. They make freshening up in the bathroom easy and efficient. Number 2. Weiman Jewelry Cleaner, Restore Shine and Brilliance. Is your jewelry looking a little dull? This cleaner gently removes dirt and buildup. It restores the brilliance and shine to your favorite pieces. This gentle formula is safe for gold, platinum, and titanium jewelry. It's perfect for wedding rings, bracelets, earrings, and necklaces. It will make them look like new. Simply place your jewelry in the cleaning tray. Let it soak for up to 30 minutes, using the included brush if needed. Rinse with water and buff with a soft cloth. Soap, lotion, and styling products can dull your jewelry. This cleaner removes those buildups in minutes. Your jewelry will be restored to its original sparkle. This cleaner is safe for diamonds, sapphires, rubies, and other precious gemstones. However, it is not for use on silver or certain delicate stones. Always check the instructions. What we like. This cleaner has a gentle formula, safe for precious gemstones. It restores shine and brilliance to your jewelry. If you have jewelry that needs a refresh, you should consider this. What people say. The product is in excellent condition. The item arrived quickly. The packaging was great. Number 1. MetaQuest 2 256GB all-in-one VR headset. This is the MetaQuest 2. It's an advanced all-in-one virtual reality headset. It offers a smooth and seamless experience with a super-fast processor and high-resolution display. Experience total immersion with 3D positional audio, hand tracking, and haptic feedback. These features work together to make virtual worlds feel incredibly real. You'll be amazed by the level of detail. Explore an expanding universe of over 250 titles. It includes gaming, fitness, social multiplayer, and entertainment options. There are exclusive blockbuster releases and unique VR experiences to discover. Come together in incredible social spaces and multiplayer arenas. You can take in live events with friends and family. Find your new workout crew or join quests with fellow adventurers using it. Be truly free to roam in VR. It's a wireless headset with intuitive controls, a built-in battery, and easy setup. No PC or console is needed, offering you ultimate flexibility. What we like. This is an all-in-one virtual reality headset, offering a seamless experience. It's wireless and immersive, allowing you to explore virtual worlds freely. If you like gaming or exploring new virtual experiences, you should consider it. What people say. I have purchased several items from Amazon warehouse and have always been happy with the quality. The items I have purchased have always been in the condition described. I have saved a lot of money buying from Amazon warehouse. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.